This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the Sky Elite N55 Max. It has a square panel in the back with the cameras. Looks like this, and this is how we do it. So this phone is a little bit special because there's some LCD damage, but we've got some other Sky devices here that will help us. So in this device, we're going to hold volume down and power at the exact same time. Volume down, power. We're going to let go of power as soon as we see the Sky device logo. And then as soon as this turns off, now we're going to let go. Alright, so on your screen, you'll have the full Android recovery menu like this. On this Elite N55 Max, it's broken. We can't see it, but we can still factory reset it. So let's get a device that's very similar. This is the P55. This is the N55. So all we have to do is count down. I think it's 5 for most Android. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wipe data factory reset. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to push enter. And then when we push enter on the one that we can read, or that you can read on yours, you come up with the verification, and all we have to do is volume down one time and then press OK. And we'll do volume down one time and then press OK. And at the bottom of the screen we can see that the data wipe is complete. And when we can see at the bottom of the screen the data wipe is complete, the very first choice is reboot system now. So the very first choice on yours or on this one for the Elite N55 Max is reboot system now. It's safe to reboot the system. Alright, keep in mind that if you've set up your Elite N55, your Sky device, with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail account to log back into your phone, even though we've just erased everything. The only thing that remains is the security system, the Find My Device or Find My Phone if you've turned that on. If this has helped you reset your Sky Elite N55 Max, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.